There are 57 new cases of coronavirus across Victoria, 2 in hotel quarantine and 55 new locally acquired cases. 49 are linked to known outbreaks. 6 of those are currently mystery cases and are being investigated by our public health team. Just 25 of those were in isolation for the entirety of their infectious period. So that is a very significant challenge. That makes today a bad day. Earlier in the week we talked about being at a tipping point. This is very, very serious indeed. Now, I want to just map out for people what's involved if this gets away from us. Hundreds and hundreds of cases every day, and hundreds, indeed, potentially thousands of people in hospital. And anyone who cares to go and interview a nurse in Sydney working in a COVID ward will be told stories that they will never forget. I can't be any clearer with the people of Melbourne and more broadly the people of Victoria. If we have a weekend this weekend like last weekend, well then next week it will be like Sydney. Simple as that. This will get away from us. We've got too many mystery cases out there. We need people to come forward and get tested when they have symptoms. Not a day later, not 3 days later, but when you register those symptoms. There are 700 kids that have got COVID in New South Wales. There are kids that are in hospital in New South Wales that have got COVID. No children in our country are vaccinated. As a parent to every other parent, that should be motivation enough. We can't be certain what the impacts of this virus are on kids. We have got a substantial number of kids infected ourselves in this outbreak. It is spreading amongst younger people and it will continue to do that unless we all play our part. Now, I don't like having to speak to Victorians like this. I wish we were not in as serious a situation as we are. But these cases, there are too many of them and there are too many that have been out in the community for too long with infection, during their infectious period, I mean. And there are too many cases, the source of which, the chain of transmission, is not clear to us. They are genuine mysteries.